Another piece of breaking news coming in at this point of time. Devendra Fadnavis, the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, he has now responded to the MNS chief, Raj Thackeray. The Maharashtra Chief Minister, Devendra Fadnavis, he has hit out at Raj Thackeray and tells him they need self-introspection to stop lying and insulting the people of Maharashtra. Devendra Fadnavis was speaking on Raj Thackeray's statement.
गालिब ने कहा था दिल बहलाने के लिए ख्याल अच्छा है गालिब। बस वही मैं कहना चाहता हूँ, ये अपना दिल बहला रहे हैं, अपने कार्यकर्ताओं को बताने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि अपन तो जीत ही रहे थे, अपनी हार में कोई षड्यंत्र है ताकि कार्यकर्ता बिखर न जाए। लेकिन मैं उनको इतना ही कहना चाहता हूँ, जब तक अपनी हार का आत्मचिंतन ये नहीं करेंगे तब तक ये नहीं जीतेंगे। लोगों ने मोदी जी को चुनकर दिया है, लोगों ने हमको चुनकर दिया है। जब तक लोगों का अपमान करते रहेंगे और जब तक झूठ बोलते रहेंगे तब तक ये कभी जीत के नहीं आ सकते।
Right, my colleague Sujata Dwivedi joins us to get us more on this. Sujata, these are very strong statements coming from the Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis. Take us through the latest.
Well, certainly, and we know that MNS Chief Raj Thackeray has been a centre point when it comes to the Maharashtra politics, and at this point, it was recently being discussed in the political circles whether Raj Thackeray and Uddhav Thackeray might come together, but thereafter there was no such development coming in. But now Raj Thackeray has come up again and said a statement which is related to the election commission as well as the issue of the counting process and the voting that happened in Maharashtra's Vidhan Sabha polls. And now Raj Thackeray has given very strong statement saying that people have voted for the opposition for several parties, including for leaders like Sharad Pawar, Congress, as well as Uddhav Thackeray, but it is because of the vote that was stolen away and the vote never reached them, is what Raj Thackeray has said. And he also says that this entire issue should be brought up onto a global level, after which discussion in the international circles, this matter would be taken seriously by the Election Commission. And now it is the Chief Minister of the state, Devendra Fadnavis, who has strongly reacted and replied to Raj Thackeray on his statement. And he says that because they are not able to gulp in their entire they are not winning the election, is because of which they are giving such statement. And at first they need to do a self-introspection of themselves before giving out such statement, is what Devendra Fadnavis has said for Raj Thackeray. So now it is, there were already circles being put up stating that Raj Thackeray could go either side, but now with such strong comments coming in from Devendra Fadnavis, will Raj Thackeray really go on to support the opposition with their issue of the election commission and the voting process in Maharashtra?